Alright, do you want to tell us what we're doing here today?
Right, okay, so, look, we both, me and Chris, we met you before a few times now. Mike is a really good kid. And it's not the fact that he's a wicked, you know, he's amazing. Yes, he's amazing online, and we've watched into your videos and everything else, and we said to ourselves, me and Chris said, look, let's do something for you, right? So we thought, you know what, get you in, and let's just go a bit loud. Not loud as in sound only, but let's just go all out. You're here today, not only today, you're leaving the car with us. We're gonna do our DKU magic.
Magic. If people don't know his name's Match.
yeah, man, it's Magic. Yeah, dude, so we're gonna go out, we're gonna do what we need to do, and we've got other plans for you as well.
We'll keep that secret for now.
Okay, secret, right, it's Chris related, so our partnering company, RTMG, they're getting involved as well. We both sat down, both me and Chris, and we said, look, let's do what we need to do, in all fairness. Not only to give the company exposures, and that's a fact, so you know, they'll sort of highlight, we know this dude will do that for us. It's a smile on his face, a smile on everybody else's face, and he could just go and host us and do whatever he needs to do. It'll be interesting. This year will be interesting.
This car will be set to space.
It'll be interesting. So yeah, we're going to crack on with the build, and we'll sort of, he hasn't got a clue what I'm about to do.
Oh yeah, don't tell me.
I'm telling you shit. Right?
We have made it down to DKU, and we're about to see the exhaust of the gas. They've got like a nice little cloth over it, so we're gonna do a grand reveal. I'm kind of nervous though, because like, you know, like they've worked so hard on this that like.
I know, it's a bit pressure.
Are we gonna have a look?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, man? You want to see it? Yeah, I'm really trying to go there. So we ready for the reveal? Whenever the stig's ready? 3, 2, 1.
Fucking hell! Oh my god! Look at that! It's like a fucking alien spaceship, what the? That works so nice with the car. Jesus, look at that, it's a rainbow!
Happy, yeah?
Yeah, I might cry.